Okay, we're going to be testing a life safety tracker issue on production version 1.2.0.0. I only have one shot at this, so I'm only really going to be able to do this video once, so I apologize on anything gone wrong here. The first thing I'm going to do is identify this area here, 101/102, and what has happened is the original enterer of this data, the person doing the entry, has gone ahead and deleted a bunch of areas where they did not like the initial data, and then they wanted to go ahead and retry, I guess, re-uploading data to the same areas. So we're going to follow step by step the same process they used, and then see if we can replicate the problem they were having. So first thing I'm doing is deleting the record, the entire record here, and ideally what that would do is kind of eliminate this area and life safety record from the system altogether. So I'm going to hit delete record, and when you delete this detail, one detail, 0 photos, and 1 survey, and that's okay, so that's expected. I'm going to press delete, and now the building 85 area 101/102 is no longer in the system. So now what I'm going to do is go into the rapid entry form just like the user did and try to recreate that exact area. So I'm in the rapid entry. It's going to take a second. I'm going to actually clear all these. Yep, that's fine. And I'm going to delete this one as well. Okay, so all my rows are deleted. So this is fresh data, building 85, first floor. And you notice that area doesn't appear here, so I'm going to just type in a new one, the same exact way as before. I'm going to have side 1, side 2. And now I'm going to add an item to the rapid entry. So I'm going to hit mark to upload, fire stopping, through wall pen, letters, numbers, field list. So I'm going to just to kind of assure we're doing this right, I'm going to fill in every column just how we've done it in the past. I'm going to enter a location note. I'll call this test, and today's date, which is 2/2/11. We're going to use this in a few different notes just so we have continuity. Let's plug that in advance. Alright. Okay, then what they did was they entered in a deficiency, so we can just enter no fire stopping. I'm going to use an existing photo that I know of. I believe it's 001 and 002, so I'm going to have two-sided photos. So, or 2 photos, one on each side. That's fine. I'm then going to enter in a suggestive corrective action. We'll just say install UL system. And then I'm going to enter in 2 after photos, 0276. And in this one I'll enter 027, I believe 9 is a sample photo in the sample data. Yep. And then I'm going to see, I'm going to add a classified system here. We'll call it WL, let's say 1222, that's fine. And I'm going to hit the closeout button just like they did. Then I'm going to validate the data. Area was not found. This is exactly what they came across. Validation complete. And now I'm going to upload marked items. And now I'm going to upload the photos. It's just going to take a second here to upload all the photos. And then we will kind of see the results to see if it matches or recreates the same problems they were having elsewhere. Alright, one thing we have noticed with this latest production version is after the last photo is in fact entered, there seems to be some sort of lag between it telling us the photos are complete and us being able to go back into the program and kind of continuing on with whatever work we're doing. So that is something I've noticed with this production version that was not necessarily something we ran across to in the past. So I don't know if that's new or not. Okay, I'm just going to continue with this for the time being. It looks like we're held up a little bit. So what I'm going to do here is okay, so we finally got our successfully uploaded photos. I'm going to hit OK. I'm now going to go back and take a look at the data to see if it came in as if or how we expected. So first going to refresh our search. And as you can see, the area 101/102 was not added to the rapid entry. So I'm just going to reconfirm, hit search again, and exactly how we thought. So exact same problem that our guy in Boise ran into. He deleted an existing area, and then when he went to go back and re-add it to the database, it was dissociated or didn't appear in the search results within the rapid entry, so we had no way to get to it. One thing I'm going to try here is to do a search for it. So it was building 85, first floor, 101/102. Now let's try doing a search for this, see if we can find it. And then no matches are found. So something's going on, whether the record, because it became, maybe it became an orphan record and wasn't deleted in the system. It was then the information, then although it created the item, it may not have, when it went uploaded, it may have not properly allocated the details to the right location. So it looks like there's a little bit of confusion in the system, and we're going to have to get that reviewed. So it's a bug. This concludes it. I'm going to upload this and send it over. Thanks. If you have any questions, just give me a ring or email. Thanks. Bye.